Hi, this is Greg Brown with Choice Hotels International. I want to thank Big Data Supply Inc. for keeping data centers green. It was great seeing you at Data Center World this year, and I look forward to seeing you again next year.
Hi, this is David Martin, Director of Data Center Services for a major consumer packaged goods company. I would like to thank Big Data Supply Inc. for helping keep data centers green. It was great to see you at AFCOM Data Center World, and I look forward to seeing you again next year.